Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In today's video, I will show you how to fix failed to find Roblox process KRNL injector error you are getting on your Windows PC, guys. So watch this video until the end and you will find the solution how to fix this error. And before we start, don't forget hit the like buttons. Likes are super important for us. Okay, the first thing you need to do is make sure that Roblox is not running on your PC. You can just go to your task manager and you need to close your Roblox app if it's running, guys. Once you will make sure that Roblox is not running on your PC, then go to start menu, and in start menu you need to write %app data % and open this folder. When you go here, you need to find the KML folder, which is right here, and you need to delete this folder. Then you need to click the update in the top and you need to go to local. Once you will go to this folder, you need to find Roblox. Just press R button on your keyboard and you will find Roblox very easily. So once you will find Roblox, open it and you need to delete the logs folder, which is here. Click the delete button and then you can, once you will do all of these steps, then you can go to roblox.com and log into your account, and then you need to join the game and Roblox will automatically recover the missing files, and this will help you to fix this error, guys. But you need to ensure that antivirus is not running while you are reinstalling the missing Roblox files, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. This will definitely help you to fix the error, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.